Oh, wow. Oh, dang. That's cool. Whoa, look at this. Hey guys, how's it going? Chris Chen here. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video of some new things I got, my prints, my artwork. So yeah, let's open some boxes and let's have some fun. All right, first box here is the prints from Elko Color. Really quick video. So first up, the Frozen print. Woo! This is really cool. This is really cool. It's kind of surreal because I made the video about it. Yeah, it looks great. Positivity prints. Nice, good quality. Seems really nice and classy. And that's it. Alright, end the video. Just kidding. Alright, so I'm gonna just cut these open and see the different designs. Nice, I like the paper quality. So here we have strength, compassion, courage, and forgiveness. And I kind of wanted to do this because they're kind of like opposites. Strength, I wanted to say that compassion is a type of strength. And I also wanted to say that courage, forgiveness is something that requires courage. And so, yeah, I think it's personal to me. It's embracing part of myself that is usually seen as soft, but saying that softness is also something that could be very powerful. This is another print: patience, humility, success, and confidence. Usually we associate success and confidence with like hustle, speed, hard work, and I wanted to associate it with patience and humility, you know, juxtaposing humility and confidence and patience and success. I think it's kind of an interesting concept, kind of makes you think a little bit, especially now as I'm working on my Legend Brush business. It's definitely something that requires a lot of humility to listen to my friends, my parents, and to like their advice and what they think, and to listen to my customers. A lot of times I have an idea, but the customers would be like, no, we actually want something else. And it's up to me to be like, hey, I need to listen to them. Like, oh, that's a great idea, Miss, you know, Susan. That's a great idea, Mrs. You know, and it's like, and then I'll go and implement it. Like recently, I've been doing the backing boards for my artwork, and that's a customer request. They're like, wait, how come there's a mat? And then I was like, well, I can't ship mats because it's rolled up. So then I got the idea of, hey, you know what? I'll just put a piece of poster board behind it. And this way, when they give it to someone, hey, it looks pretty good. And lastly, the design: joy, peace, love, and hope. Just a positive thing, especially in today's world. It's something we need, you know, to follow your joy and have that peace in your heart and hope that the world will be better. Let's see the Frozen prints. Check this out. So I actually have something already ready for it. Yeah, this company did a really great job. Nice. So this is a piece of blue poster board, and it's gonna act as kind of like the matte backing for it. Experimenting here. All right, looks pretty cool. So originally I did want the border to be a little bit thicker, but my bag is only so wide, it's only so big, so yeah, still looks pretty good. It looks really decent. This one is from Amazon, from Golden State Art. I have some backing boards here. Nice packaging. Oh, heavy. Backing board. These are my clear bags. So for this, I am still mailing it in a tube. So for the online orders, I'm not going to have the backboard with it. It's just gonna be with the plastic. But if I'm at a convention or art fair or something in person, I'll have the mat board with it. All right, so here we are. We got a print here, got another one here. Patience, humility, success, and confidence. Joy, peace, love, and hope. We got a frozen print. Here we go. Cool, so thank you so much guys for tuning in. I will be having some type of like Black Friday promotion going on. And yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in seeing. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks guys, bye.